Follow the steps on how to make a 3D inflate in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by typing a text. Fill color. Go to Effect, 3D, and Inflate. Set rotation here. Then adjust depth and volume. On the Material tab, you can select the materials that are available here. Okay, let's go back to default. Set roughness and metallic. Next, adjust the lighting. You can set it manually here, or choose the available presets. Activate shadow and adjust position. Then also adjust the intensity, rotation, height, and softness. Click the arrow to open Render Settings. Enable ray tracing and select the quality you want. Then click this icon to render and wait for the process. Expand appearance to convert it to a JPEG image. Crop image. Create a grid using the Rectangle Grid tool. You can follow these settings. Then go to Effect, 3D, 3D Classic, and rotate. Adjust position. Then expand appearance. Right-click, Arrange, and send to back. Resize. Go to View and activate Trim View. Lower the background opacity a little. Press Ctrl 2 to lock the background. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.